The Muskogee War Memorial Park, home of the USS Batfish, is one of Muskogee's most unique attractions. The park contains an actual World War II submarine, the Batfish. Meet James Erb, a Vietnam veteran, museum curator for the USS Batfish and submarine aficionado.
First of all, no submarine in history that we know of has ever sank at more than one other submarine. Most of them only run into one other submarine in their life, and we run into 3.
At one point, the USS Batfish was Oklahoma's #1 tourist attraction. But funding cuts and a historic flood of 2019 changed everything. No one has been granted access into the vessel in over 3 years.
Those that don't remember their history are doomed to repeat it. World War II almost broke the world. World War III will.
Now the £3.5 million ship and museum are both being moved to Three Forks Harbor.
So all these 3 things that were actually already happening at the same time is a great opportunity to move the Batfish to a better location, a newer home, greater visibility.
The USS Batfish, our iconic £3 million submarine, is about to embark on a new chapter. Imagine the anticipation, the thrill as this colossal vessel, with its rich history and stories untold, is on the move once again.
I'm flying in Osage Sky News 6 over the route the Batfish will have to travel. It's about a 3-mile trip downriver to get to its new home.
It can range between, 3 million up to who knows what. This is a project that has never been done before.
For 3 long years, the Batfish has patiently waited. And now, with your support, we have a chance to honor it in a way that captivates the hearts of many.
Details and timing are still being worked out, but City Council just approved a $200,000 study, all to figure out the easiest way to move this historic treasure.
Your contribution can breathe life back into the Batfish, allowing us to open its hatches, unveil its mysteries, and share its legacy with generations to come.
Do you think kids in schools should be coming through and touring?
I think every kid in the country ought to be coming through here. These guys were the greatest generation. Everything we have today is because of the sacrifices they made.
But we can't do it alone. We need your help to make it happen, to unlock the doors and invite the world inside this incredible piece of history. Imagine a Batfish that not only draws visitors from far and wide, but also becomes an integral part of our community, contributing to our identity and economic growth. With your support, we aim to create, manage, and maintain a marketing campaign that not only puts the Batfish back on the map, but ensures it remains there, shining brightly for generations. Because when Muskogee unites, history comes alive. Join us on this extraordinary journey. The USS Batfish is counting on you.